Hi, here is question 47 on stoichiometry. At STP, how many molecules of hydrogen gas are present in 2.5 liters of the gas? This is a very short question, and the step to solve it is also quite short, right? So it's not difficult. It's not. At STP, how many molecules of hydrogen gas are present in 2.5 liters of the gas? So we had 2.5 liters, we had STP. And at STP, 1 mole of a gas should be 22.4 liters in volume, right? So that means 2.5 liters could contain a particular number of moles, which we can get by saying 2.5 divided by 22.4. What should that be? Is that 0.111607 moles? Okay, so if that's what it is, that should mean that we now know the number of moles that's present there of hydrogen gas. According to the Avogadro principle, 1 mole of a gas, like hydrogen, contains 6.022 times 10 to the power 23 molecules. This is in molecule form, so we're using molecules here. How many molecules of hydrogen gas would now be present in 2.5 liters, which is 0.111607 moles? So you put 0.111607 moles here of hydrogen gas and try to figure out the number of molecules there. So what would that be? Y will be 0.111607 times 6.022 times 10 to the 23rd power. So the Y becomes about 6.7209. There's about 22 molecules. That should be our final answer. But you can just make it better. Since this is 2.5 liters and you have two significant figures there, you can choose to write your answer as 6.7, because there's also two significant figures here. 6.72 can be approximated to 6.7, and then you just place this one by the side. Okay, see that 10 raised to the power 22 doesn't really count when it comes to counting the significant figures here. It doesn't really count, so just drop it there and approximate this part. So that's it. 6.7 times 10 raised to the power 22 molecules of hydrogen gas is your answer. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, and you should subscribe if you're seeing this on YouTube. Just click the subscribe button there, because that means you'll be able to see more and more videos like this. Okay, so I shall see you on question 48. All right. Yeah, let me go and upload 48. See you.